2018 Lexus ES 350. Car doesn't come with CarPlay. I'm going to show you the ZZ2 CarPlay unit to add onto here, and it also can do Android Auto, and it is wireless CarPlay as well as Android Auto. We're going to turn the radio on. We're going to press and hold our button here to get it to come in, the CarPlay to come in. We're going to go media. And if you'll notice, we have here all our functionality. We have phone, we have our music, we have all of our CarPlay features that we have listed within our phone here. So we can navigate through our phone, and we are wireless. There's also a USB in here so we can connect up and be tethered, but everything else here is pretty simple. All through the back button. Audio comes through media. CarPlay in a 2018 Lexus ES 350. You can email me with any questions off of YouTube, and let me know. Sound Concept Nanuet. Thank you.